Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Technical Analysis Made Simple. Before we start this video, I want to give a disclaimer that stock market is a highly uncertain environment. The views and stocks expressed in this video are my own and they are being shared for educational purpose only. Whatever decisions that you make are your own. Try to observe, try to learn from these videos and do consult your financial advisor before taking any decision. On this note, let's start the video. With respect to global events, there were two major events. The first one was that countries around the world are planning to start vaccination program by the end of this year. This is a positive development with respect to the markets. It is also positive for India as they plan to immunize around 250 million citizens. US vaccination might begin in December. Similarly, UK and Russia are also planning for vaccination programs. So this is a huge positive for markets. The second major event was stimulus expectation in the US. A stimulus expectation of around 900 billion to 1 trillion is expected. Let's dive into the charts and see what they tell us. Let's analyze what's happening here. If we see the candle for last month, this clearly shows that it was a bullish breakout from this pattern. There was a correction, then market struggled near the all-time high and this was the breakout candle. If we see the present month candle, this has already crossed above the last month's high. So this is very bullish. Now let's dive into the weekly charts and see how they look like. With respect to weekly chart, we can see a flag kind of structure developing here. Now this flag has also broken out. If you see this candle, last week candle, this has broken out. And now the expectation for next week will be bullish. The sideways consolidation moment seems to be ending here. These three candles looked like sideways moment, but since we have already broken above, I would expect a bullish moment for the next week. This is the chart of Nasdaq. Here also we can see we were discussing continuously about this particular structure, that Nasdaq is consolidating inside this structure. The last month candle broke out, and if we see the last week's candle, this monthly candle is still to finish, but here we can see that it has already crossed above last month's high and also above all-time high. So Nasdaq is now set to move around 1800 to 2000 points forward, as we had already discussed earlier. There could be a clear moment of 1800 points to 2000. Do not expect this in 1 week or 2 week or something like that, but this move may come. This is highly bullish. With respect to gold, we were discussing about this rounded bottom structure. Gold bounced from here. If we see this candle, the current month candle, and the top seems to be around 2071 or 2075, whatever is the high of this point. I would expect gold to consolidate in this region for a while. If it goes below this demand zone, then the next level that come would be around 1526, and this level would be very good for accumulating gold or gold related products. But for now, this can be in a region between 1838 to 2075. You can decide based on that. Most important domestic event was RBI monetary policy, and it came out on Friday. The repo rate was maintained at 4% and the reverse repo rate was maintained at 3.35%. The most important pointer under this was that RBI would take an accommodative stance for current and next financial year. This means that probably there won't be any rate hikes in the current financial year and the next financial year. The inflation seems to be on the higher side. They also highlighted that GDP growth can return to a positive territory in the next financial year, that is in quarter 3 and quarter 4. They also highlighted that GDP growth is seen between 6.5% to 21.9% in the first half of financial year 22. This is very positive and this will fuel the market. The next thing they highlighted is private investment is still underutilized and hence there could be more utilization and more economic growth. Now let's dive into the charts and see how they look like. We will also discuss one sector. This is the monthly chart of Nifty. If you see carefully, we have already broken above the high of last month and this look highly bullish. If we see the weekly candles, we discussed that last week could have been a sideways movement. However, the Friday movement clearly gave a breakout. Now, if we try to analyze this structure, there was an up move, a sideways movement of 2 weeks, and now the uptrend resumes. So we can clearly say that the next week can be very bullish for the indices, at least for Nifty. If we see the Bank Nifty structure, Bank Nifty is still to break out above last month's high. Once it does that, the next target that comes is 31,700 and then the all-time high of around 32,000, 32,500. There is a high possibility that we can see these targets very early. So 31,600 and 31,650 is a high possibility in the coming weeks. If we see the weekly candles, the 3 weekly candles, they were in the range moment and now it looks like it is ready to break out. However, we need to wait for it to close above 30,200. Once it does that, there will be a swift move towards 31,600, 31,700. Let's analyze the chart of USD INR. Now USD INR is the value of INR that is against USD. Now if we see this chart, this is making higher lows, right? So this was the previous structure that I have highlighted. It broke out above this, then there was a big moment and now it is trying to form a base here. There are certainly some demand here seen from these rejection candles. If it starts breaking above, then the two sectors that will gain momentum is pharma and IT. And we will see how the sectoral indices look for pharma. If we go to the weekly charts, we can again see that some kind of accumulation is going on here. We are talking about levels above 75. If this crosses above 75, pharma and IT is going to boom. Let's discuss about the pharma index. This is Nifty Pharma Index. We can clearly see that after breaking out from this falling channel, the pharma took some time to consolidate and now it seems to be resuming the uptrend. Let's go to the weekly charts. On the weekly time frame, it has clearly broken out. If we try to draw a trend line here, it would look something like this. And this is a clear breakout. So pharma can be a good performing sector in the next week. And hence our today's pick of the day is also related to pharma sector, which we will discuss in a while. Overall, we can say that the next week is going to be very bullish. There are no expectation for any negative news flow and the indices, they look very positive. Pharma index and IT index also look very positive. So you can keep an eye on these sectors. Apart from this, there is another important factor that December generally has a market rally. Some people call this Santa Claus rally. So let's see how this works out. We have Marksans Pharma as our pick of the week. Now, if we see the weekly chart, it has broken above this rounding bottom base. The range that I see here is between 57.75 to 73.6 or 74, the high of this candle basically, which is 74.25. Let's go to the weekly charts. In the weekly chart, there is a clear flag formation here. If we try to calculate the target for this, that comes out to be around 22 points above this, which will be around 79 rupees. But since our resistance is around 73, the target here becomes 73. A trade can be initiated here with stop loss below 56.5 and the target of 73.6. Do your own analysis and take your own decision. This is what looks nice to me, and this is my personal analysis. That's all for this video, friends. Thank you so much.